What's up, everyone? Aubrey Trades here with a trade recap. End of the morning here, about an hour into the trading day, and we are up just over $100. So pretty good. Undoing yesterday's ridiculousness mostly, and we're going to talk about it. We'll go over some of the trades. Some new OTC runners coming up, TKAT LCLP. These are former runners from earlier. AUNXF had a nice bounce opportunity, but I think that was mostly it. PBYA too, even though I was kind of looking for more of a dip out of the open, but that's okay. That is okay. Let's get into the trades. Most of those profits are on TKAT and LCLP, so let's talk about those first. LCLP. Let's start with TKAT because that came first. TKAT made a huge move yesterday. If we zoom out in the 5-minute chart here, we'll see this move from $6 to $12. Tried to buy into this spike here, but missed it. This was a halt, and you can see the halts happen because all of a sudden the ticker won't move and the level 2 will just go insane. I mean, all of a sudden you'll see like 4, 5, 6, 700 on the bid spread and no motion. It's hard to buy. I haven't had success buying into a halt. I know other brokerages will let you. So I tried buying into this halt, didn't really work. And then once the halt opened and it was above the halt open price, I started getting interested. Got my buy at $12.28. So I'm thinking, at the halt open, there's probably a bunch of short sellers. They're probably adding here. I'm going to get this pop. So I got the pop and it was halting again. And I thought, okay, do I stay for the halt and sell out of the halt immediately? Or, I'm up $70. I had 2 max loss days this week. Do I just take my $70 and just not have the risk of the halt opening down? Because that has happened, and I have been part of a halt down before, especially considering I'm in the second halt. So I decided, let me try and get the sell off, see if I can get a sell while it's kind of doing the halt motion. So fun fact, you can sell into the halt, but you can't buy into the halt on Thinkorswim. So good to know. Missed out on $1 a share, but that is okay. Got my safe $70 profit there, all within a 1-minute quick flip, just eyeing this opportunity. Nice. And LCLP, I swear I have such a scalpy mentality. LCLP again here, up like 60% or something at the time. On acquisition news, they closed an acquisition, missed this dip, and I was kind of watching, and once this candle came, I was like, oh, okay, so this could be good for another push higher, right? So I buy in right at the beginning of this candle, and I see the level 2 kind of doing this motion, or it's pretty decently stacked against what's here on the 3/5s. Actually, I want to zoom out and see what's happening. So we might get a little pop here. I'm going to check on that in a second. So then I sold into the pop real quick. I missed out on an extra like 0.002 cents a share. That's okay. That's fine. This could have been $60 or $70, whatever. Not mad at it. Took the quick profits and we ended up selling off a few minutes later. So I don't want to have terribly big diamond hands because this could have messed me up. It's gonna mess me up. And we did get a very quick pop, but now now I'm seeing more of a downtrend, and we're probably headed back to this support level. See how this holds up. But anyway, those are my 2 profitable trades, and then we'll quickly go through the other 2, which is KXIN. Buying in pre-market, $5 risking this low. Sold out here for a quick gain, but then the bid stacked again here, so I got back in. Ended up selling at a loss on this pull, even though I had my risk level set to here. I was like, that's more of a bearish indicator to me, because now we have this downtrend started. Before, if I scroll past, right, and you're this, and you see that bid action, you're thinking, okay, maybe this could go back up, right? But then when this candle formed, I was like, all right, fine. So I cut it at a 50-cent loss because I didn't want to start the day down $5. Just like a mental thing. SPRT is me being a degen. I knew I shouldn't do this, but I did it anyway. And I set my risk, though. $5 risk, risking 15, 17. Just because I wanted to see if this was going to push to a new high. Which it did, but I kind of in the back of my head was like, this does the thing where it breaks to a new high and it pulls back. And then maybe it tests it again and then it pulls back. So I missed my sell-off because I was hoping to get a bigger move. Especially I was thinking like with all the action in this 5-minute chart that this was getting and all of this sell-off, I thought maybe this pop would be bigger, but it wasn't. So got out, gave 90 cents back. That's fine. Still ending the day green. Mostly erasing yesterday's stupidity. It's been a rough week. I think I had 2 max loss days. But today was good. Hopefully tomorrow is better. I just need to keep making good decisions, planning my trades, trading my plans, trying to talk myself out of making stupid impulsive buys. But we'll see. I'll do a weekly recap in a couple days. That's it. Hope y'all are doing well. Leave a comment down below how you did this morning. If you had any big scores, I want to hear about it. Also, let me know what other kind of content you want to see out of this channel. If you got value out of this, please consider hitting that like button, subscribing. I'm Aubrey. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.